हेलो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज पुरुषोत्तम विश्वकर्मा। और आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ एक प्री बोर्ड सैम्पल पेपर फॉर क्लास 12। ये क्लास 12 के इंग्लिश का सैम्पल पेपर है, प्री बोर्ड में जो आया था। और मैंने इसका जो 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन है, यानी कि पार्ट ए जो 40 मार्क्स का है, पूरा का पूरा इसमें कवर किया हुआ है। ये आपके एग्जामिनेशन में बड़ा हेल्पफुल होने वाला है। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा जाने वाला है, रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज केयरफुली। 2 पैसेज आपके आने वाले हैं, 10 क्वेश्चन ईच के। सो लेट्स बिगिन। When we are young, we don't recognize that there will be a time when our limbs will go weak, our eyesight less sharp, and our body less agile than before. A family, the state, and the society shoulder the responsibility towards senior citizens. Unfortunately, of late, we have not been able to recognize the concept of respecting, caring, and helping older generations in a systematic way as some of the countries in the West have been doing. This is not to suggest that our culture and history do not recognize this phase of life. There have been many practices of caring and helping old people in our system. But with the dismantling of the joint family system, the problem has assumed graver and more complicated proportions. Although we have started recognizing the needs of the young generation, but when it comes to the older generation, we have quite comfortably chosen to ignore them and leave them to fend for themselves. The modern era is era of old age homes. There are residential units for lower income groups in particular districts where there is a part-time medical officer to attend to the inmates. Then there are daycare centers and mobile Medicare services besides other NGOs, non-government organizations. Old age homes in the country are not only inadequate but also ill-equipped to cater to the needs of the old inmates. This should be the responsibility of the state to keep close and regular monitoring. The social welfare departments in the government have very little to boast when it comes to caring for older generation. Society too has an important role to play. It must take up the charge of respecting the aged and placing them ahead of any other interest. In the Western countries, when an old person is climbing down the stairs, he or she is assisted. It is this kind of mindset which is the greatest need of the hour. While traveling in a public transport, offering seats to the old, helping them across the roads, assisting them carry their bags, fetching them water, etc., are some gestures which increase acceptability of old people. In the family also, the senior citizens deserve a better deal. If they are thrown out of the homes, the state is not to be blamed. The state is providing everything to their families. Therefore, the old ones have the right to be recognized as important members. Sending old parents to deposit electricity bill, asking them to fetch children from schools, and to guard the house while the rest of the family is away are some of the manifold tasks which are thrust upon them, which is nonetheless enslaving the weakest class of people. Moreover, old people are found to be quite complacent with that they have. They are not too demanding except in cases where there may be genuine reason of health or constraints of family environments. Now, the questions. When we are young, we don't realize that. What we don't realize, we'll marry one day and have children. Our parents will need our help. We'll become physically weak one day. We'll retire one day from our job. Correct answer. We'll become physically weak one day. एक न एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब हम भी बूढ़े होंगे, कमजोर होंगे. What is the plight of the old age homes in our country? Uncaring, sufficient, ill equipped. All of these are ill equipped. यानी सुविधा नाम की कोई चीज यहाँ पे नहीं है. What is the general attitude of the people of our country towards senior citizens? एक जनरल एटीट्यूड हमारे सीनियर सिटीजन्स के प्रति हमारा क्या है? ऑफ इंडिफरेंस. तटस्थ रहते हैं हम, उनके ऊपर ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते. पिक द वर्ड विच इज अपोजिट टू इनएडिक्वेट. इनएडिक्वेट मतलब पर्याप्त मात्रा में नहीं, उसका अपोजिट अगर जाएंगे तो क्या होगा? सफिशियंट. इन द वेस्ट ओल्ड पीपल आर हेल्प व्हेन दे आर रीडिंग अ बुक, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, टेकिंग बाथ, क्रॉसिंग रोड्स. करेक्ट आंसर अकॉर्डिंग टू पैसेज, क्रॉसिंग रोड्स. The major reason of our old people being ignored by their family is dismantling of the joint family system. Dismantling of joint family system. What is the role of the society towards old people? बूढ़े लोगों के लिए, सीनियर सिटीजन्स के लिए सोसाइटी का क्या रोल है? Respecting the old people and placing their interests ahead of anything else. Opening old age homes for them. Keeping them away from their families. None of the above. Correct answer, the very first one. Respecting the old people and placing their interests ahead of anything else. How can families take care of the old people? कैसे परिवार ख्याल रख सकते हैं? By not involving them in the family affairs. ये तो चांस ही नहीं है. By making them free from household duties. By offering them seats in the public transport. By helping them across the roads. Assisting them carry bags. fetching them water, etc. Correct answer. By making them free from household duties. उनसे घर का कोई काम ना करवाएं, हम उनकी देखभाल ऐसे कर सकते हैं. How do some families treat the elderly people? Give them separate room in the house, ignore their demands, send them to deposit electricity bills, guard their homes when they are away, ask them to fetch children from school. Yes, send them to deposit electricity bill, guard their homes when they are away, ask them to fetch children from school. What should be the responsibility of the state towards old age homes? To collect funds for their maintenance, to keep a close and regular monitoring, to arrange festival celebrations, all of the above. Correct answer, to keep a close and regular monitoring. ये responsibility है state की. Pick a word from the passage which means to make someone slave of someone. Ignore, monitor, enslave. Yes. Correct answer, enslave. Gulam banana. Now the second extract. Concern about the effects of the television on children has centered exclusively upon the contents of the programs which children watch. Social scientists and researchers do complex and ingenious experiments to find out whether watching violent programs makes children behave aggressively. But it is easy to overlook the simple fact that one is always just watching television when sitting in front of the screen rather than having any other experience. Parents who are deeply troubled about the effects of television upon their children have centered their concern on the subject matter of the programs. A group called Action for Children's Television (ACT) was formed in the US not only to reduce the amount of violence in programs but also to protest against incessant commercial breaks which encourage children to crave for fashionable toys and unhealthy foods. One of its founders describes its aims. Parents have the right to ask that programs aimed at the young should meet the specific needs of children. But is it the needs of children which are at stake when parents demand better programs? Surely, the fact that young children watch so much television reflects the needs of parents to find a convenient source of amusement for their offspring and a period of quiet for themselves. Their anxiety about the possible ill effects of those hours of passive quiet viewing are lessened if the time is spent at least seems to be educational. The real needs of young children are quite different. They need to develop initiative and to find out things for themselves. Television provides answers too easily. Children need to acquire fundamental skills of communication. Television retards verbal development because the child is silent while watching it. Television discourages the sort of games that enable the young to discover their strengths and weaknesses, with the result that, as adults, they will be less fulfilled. Their need for fantasy is gratified far better by their own make believe activities than by the adult made fantasies offered on television. Intellectual stimulation is provided more completely by manipulating, touching, and doing than by passively watching and listening. Oddly enough, the television industry, though often cynical and self serving in its exploitation of children, sometimes unknowingly serves their best interest because television offers cheap junk programs. Conscientious parents do, in fact, limit their children's viewing when such undesirable programs are the only ones available. Unfortunately, if organizations like ACT succeed in improving the quality of programs significantly, the effects on young children will be more harmful because their permitted viewing time will increase and no matter how good their content. TV programs are always a poor substitute for other activities. There are a number of fallacies that have misled parents into thinking that the problem of television will be solved by improving its quality. It is suggested, for example, that a youngster unfamiliar with TV programs will find making friends difficult and will be labeled as an outsider. On the contrary, other children will usually respect their independence and recognize even in why the richness of their alternative activities. More subtle is the mistaken belief that the experience that children gain from watching television is the same as when the adults watch television. Their own past and present experiences come into play so that they can test the view of the world presented on the small screen against their knowledge of real life. But young children have very few real life experiences to set against their viewing, so that for them TV is primary source of experience. Their formative years are spent largely in an unreal, unnatural, second-hand world. It is also universally assumed that TV is an important source of learning. Like an animated picture book, it presents in an easily digestible and entertaining way of great deal of information about the natural world, history, current affairs, other countries, and so on. But the knowledge of today's television educated children is spouting words and ideas that do not fully understand in facts. whose accuracy they cannot judge from their limited experience, cannot compare with the knowledge acquired by reading or activity. It is then that children use their minds and their bodies, their imaginative and reasoning power to enrich their lives. Only when parents begin to question the nature of television itself and its effects on their children and on themselves as parents will they begin to realize that it is not the program but television itself, and especially the good programs which poses the greater threat to their children's well-being, adopted from the plug-in drug by Mary Winning. Now questions. Parents who are worried about the effects of TB upon their children have focused their concern on serials shown on TB, timings of TB programs, subject matter of the programs, all of the above. Correct answer, subject matter of the programs. A group called ACT aims at reducing the amount of violence in programs. Pick out the correct statement. कौन सा स्टेटमेंट सही है? टेलीविजन इंप्रूव द वर्बल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड? नहीं, क्योंकि वहां वो बात तो करता ही नहीं. टेलीविजन एनकरेजेस द सॉर्ट ऑफ गेम्स दैट एनेबल द यंग टू डिस्कवर देयर स्ट्रेंथ्स एंड वीकनेसेस? ये भी नहीं है. टेलीविजन रिटार्ड्स वर्बल डेवलपमेंट बिकॉज द चाइल्ड इज साइलेंट वाइल वॉचिंग इट? यस, उसके वर्बल डेवलपमेंट को बिल्कुल होल्ड कर देता है, रोक देता है, रिटार्ड कर देता है. टीवी इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ लर्निंग बिकॉज वाई? क्यों कहा गया इसको इंपॉर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ लर्निंग? टीवी प्रेजेंट्स अ ग्रेट डील ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट नेचुरल वर्ल्ड, हिस्ट्री एंड करंट अफेयर्स in an easily digestible and entertaining way. The greater threat that TV watching poses a child's well-being is some of its programs, the reality shows, the advertisements shown on TV about fancy foods, television itself. Correct answer, television itself. Pick the full form of ACT. ACT का full form क्या है? Full form of ACT is Action for Children's Television. Action for Children's Television. What is the role of ACT in improving the quality of TV programs? क्या रोल है इसका? It aims at reducing the amount of violence in TV programs. It aims at reducing the amount of violence in TV programs. Which of the following is not a negative effect of TV watching? इसमें से कौन सा नेगेटिव नहीं है? TV discourages children to develop their initiative. It retards verbal development because the child is silent while watching TV. TV programs are a poor substitute for other activities. TV adds to the knowledge of the child. तो कौन सा नेगेटिव नहीं है? Knowledge gained by reading books is better than the one gained by watching television because books give children more visual satisfaction. TV watching gives them limited exposure. While reading books, a child's mind and body are at work, and his imaginative power is used to enrich his life. None of the above. Correct answer. While reading books, a child's mind and body are at work, and his imaginative power is used to enrich his life. The real needs of young children are. Young children की real need क्या है? To develop initiative and to find out things for themselves. To develop initiative and to find out things for themselves. Pick the synonym of acquire. Acquire का मतलब होता है obtain, प्राप्त करना. Obtain. Now remaining 20 marks, जिसमें आपको एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस के साथ साथ 8 नॉर्मल मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस मिलने वाले हैं. उसमें भी ऑप्शन होते हैं आपके लिए. लेट्स कंटिन्यू. At last I felt released, free to walk the trails and climb the peaks and to brush aside fear. ये डीप वाटर से लिया गया. नेम ऑफ द लेसन इज डीप वाटर. डीप वाटर से लिया गया. इसको विलियम ऑरविले डगलस ने लिखा. Who is I referred to? I किसके लिए यूज किया गया? प्रिजनर, स्टूडेंट, स्विमर. नन ऑफ दीज. ये विलियम ऑरविले डगलस के लिए यूज किया गया. स्विमर. Why does the speaker feel released? क्यों स्पीकर रिलीज फील करता है? His exams are over. He has been released from jail. He has conquered the fear of water. Yes, he has conquered the fear of water. पानी से उसको बहुत डर लगता था. He had an aversion to the water. What is the fear mentioned? किस डर की बारे में बात की जा रही है? Fear of water. How did the speaker conquer his fear? कैसे उसने अपने डर पे जीत पाई? By constant practice. Correct answer, by constant practice. One dark evening, as he was trudging along the road, he caught sight of a little grey cottage by the roadside, and he knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. ये रैट ट्रैप से लिया गया है, रिटन बाय सेल्मा लेगर लॉफ। Whom does he refer to in the above line? A tramp, a homeless person, peddler के बारे में है ये। Whose do you think is the grey cottage? ये ग्रे कॉटेज जिस पे वो नॉक करता है, वो किसकी है? इट इज ऑफ क्रॉफ्टर्स, इट बिलोंग्स टू द क्रॉफ्टर, जो उसको शेल्टर देता है, खाने के लिए पोरीज देता है, दोनों मिलकर मियोलिस गेम खेलते हैं और अपने कॉन्फिडेंस अबाउट 30 क्रोनर बता देता है। व्हाई डज ही नॉक ऑन द डोर? वो जो ट्रैम्प है, होमलेस पर्सन पेडलर, दरवाजा क्यों खटखटाता है? ही वॉन्ट्स शेल्टर फॉर द नाइट। करेक्ट आंसर, ही वॉन्ट्स शेल्टर फॉर द नाइट। हाउ इज ही वेलकम्ड बाय द होस्ट? होस्ट ने उसको कैसे वेलकम किया? सावर फेस वेलकम्ड हिम, ही इज गिवन अ वार्म वेलकम। यस, बड़े ही वार्म तरीके से उसको वेलकम किया गया। नाउ द थर्ड वन, इसमें से कोई दो आपको करने हैं। ही स्मेल्ड सो बैड दैट नन ऑफ द अदर लिटिल वुडलैंड क्रिएचर्स वुड प्ले विद हिम। जो लुक्ड एट हिम सोलेमली, सी हैडंट फोरसीन दिस व्हेनेवर ही वुड गो आउट टू प्ले। ये लिया गया है सुड विजर्ड हिट मॉमी से, जिसको जॉन होयर अपडाइक ने लिखा। जॉन होयर अपडाइक। Whom does he refers to in the first line? He किसके लिए आया है ये? A street boy, a beggar, a rag picker, an animal. ये आया है रोजर स्कंक के लिए। ये आया है रोजर स्कंक के लिए। This is used for रोजर स्कंक। Why did he smell so bad? वो जो एनिमल था रोजर स्कंक, छोटा सा, वो इतनी बैड स्मेल क्यों करता था? It was his natural smell. ये उसकी नेचुरल स्मेल थी। वाई वुड दी अदर वुडलैंड क्रिएचर्स नॉट प्ले विद हिम? बाकी बच्चे उसके साथ, बाकी जो वुडलैंड क्रिएचर्स थे, वो उसके साथ क्यों नहीं खेलते थे? ही लुक्ड अगली, ही स्मेल्ड वेरी बैड, ही फॉट विद देम, नन ऑफ दीज, ही स्मेल्ड बैड। उसकी बदबू की वजह से, स्टिंकी स्मेल की वजह से। डिड द लिटिल क्रिएचर गेट रिड ऑफ हिज बैड स्मेल? क्या उसने कभी अपनी बैड स्मेल से छुटकारा पाया? हाँ, थोड़े टाइम के लिए ही सही, लेकिन छुटकारा पाया था। सो आंसर इज यस। हालांकि बहुत देर के लिए नहीं, लेकिन वो जाता है टाइनी विजर्ड के पास, वो उसकी स्मेल रोजेस में बदल देता है और फिर अपनी मम्मी के साथ वापस जाता है। मम्मी उसको मारती हैं और वापस से उसकी बैड स्मेल, स्टिंकी स्मेल रीस्टोर कर दी जाती है। नाउ फोर्थ वन, इसमें आपको पोएट्री से एक्सट्रैक्ट मिलने वाले हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में 2 एक्सट्रैक्ट होंगे और एक अटेम्प्ट करना होगा आपको। दोज हु प्रिपेयर ग्रीन वॉर्स, वॉर्स विद गैस, वॉर्स विद फायर, विक्ट्री विद नो सर्वाइवर्स, वुड पुट ऑन क्लीन क्लॉथ्स एंड वॉक अबाउट विद देयर ब्रदर्स इन द शेड डूइंग नथिंग। अब ये लिया गया है कीपिंग क्वाइट से, रिटन बाय पाब्लो नेरुदा। व्हाट डज द पोएट मीन बाय ग्रीन वॉर्स? पाब्लो नेरुदा ग्रीन वॉर्स से क्या समझाना चाहते हैं? वॉर्स फाउट इन ग्रीन यूनिफॉर्म, वॉर्स विच नेवर एंड, वॉर्स अगेंस्ट फॉरेस्ट एंड जंगल्स। यस, वॉर्स अगेंस्ट फॉरेस्ट एंड जंगल्स। एक्सप्लेन वॉर विद फायर, वॉर विद बॉम्ब्स। वॉर विद फायर मीन्स वॉर विद बॉम्ब्स। हु वुड पुट ऑन क्लीन क्लॉथ्स? कौन से लोग क्लीन क्लॉथ पहनेंगे? पीपल हु वुड गो टू देयर वर्क, पीपल हु विल गो टू पार्टी, पीपल हु आर इन्वॉल्व इन डिस्ट्रक्टिव एक्टिविटीज। यस, पीपल हु आर इन्वॉल्व इन डिस्ट्रक्टिव एक्टिविटीज। व्हेन विल दे वर्क अबाउट विद देयर ब्रदर्स इन द शेड? कब वो अपने भाइयों के साथ फ्रेटर्निटी में, ब्रदरहुड में चलेंगे साथ साथ? व्हेन दे विल हैव अ हॉलिडे, व्हेन दे आर टुगेदर, व्हेन दे विल स्टॉप देयर डिस्ट्रक्टिव एक्टिविटीज। व्हेन दे विल स्टॉप देयर डिस्ट्रक्टिव एक्टिविटीज। नाउ सेकेंड वन, इसमें से कोई एक आपको करना होता है। बट आफ्टर द एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी चेक, स्टैंडिंग अ फ्यू यार्ड्स अवे, आई लुक्ड अगेन एट हर वैन पेल एज लेट विंटर्स मून एंड फेल्ट दैट ओल्ड फेमिलियर एक माई चाइल्डहुड्स फियर। ये कमला दास ने लिखा, माई मदर एट 66, जो आपके पोइट्री में पहला ही लेसन है। कमला दास का स्यूडोनिम है, निक नेम है माधवी कुट्टी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इज स्टैंडिंग अ फ्यू यार्ड्स अवे? कौन खड़ा है कुछ दूरी पर, फ्यू यार्ड्स अवे? कमला दास, द पोएट। व्हाई डज सी लुक पेल? उनकी जो मदर है वो पेल कलर में, येलोइश कलर में क्यों दिखती हैं? ड्यू टू एनीमिया, ड्यू टू जॉन्डिस, ड्यू टू सिकनेस एंड ओल्ड एज? यस, ड्यू टू सिकनेस एंड ओल्ड एज। नेम द पोएट, आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू, कमला दास। नेम द लिटरेरी डिवाइस यूज्ड इन एज लेट विंटर्स मून। एज आ गया और कंपैरिजन आ गया तो हो गया सिमिली। नाउ द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, आंसर एनी 8 ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस, 8 मार्क्स। व्हाट डज गार्बेज मीन टू द एडल्ट्स ऑफ सीमापुरी? सीमापुरी में जो एडल्ट्स हैं उनके लिए गार्बेज क्या है? मीन्स ऑफ सर्वाइवल। व्हाट इज मुकेश ड्रीम? मुकेश का सपना क्या है? टू बिकम अ मोटर मैकेनिक। द लॉन्ग टर्म consequences of the drowning incident on Douglas is are he could not go swimming, he could not go fishing, he could not go canoeing, all of the above. Yes, all of the above. Why did the peddler decline the invitation of Iron Master? क्यों मना कर दिया? क्यों नहीं जाना चाहता था Iron Master के साथ? He was afraid of being caught. उसको डर था कि कहीं पकड़ा ना जाऊं. How did the चंपारण episode change the plight of the peasants? कैसे उनका जीवन बदल जाता है? They got a lot of money, they got their fields back, they became aware of their rights. Yes, they became aware of their rights. Who occupied the back benches in the classroom on the day of the last lesson? Adults. The adults. Why did Hannah was the wounded soldier herself? हाना को जो सदाओ की वाइफ थी, उस सोल्जर को टाम को जो वाइट मैन था, अमेरिकन प्रिजनर ऑफ वॉर, उसको खुद धोना पड़ा था। क्यों? द सर्वेंट्स कुड नॉट डू सो, द सर्वेंट्स रिफ्यूज टू डू सो, क्योंकि यूमी ने, जो कि उसकी सर्वेंट थी, यूमी मेड, उसने मना कर दिया था, नहीं मैं नहीं धुलने वाली। दैट इज वाई द सर्वेंट्स रिफ्यूज टू डू सो। वट वॉज हिज फादर चीफ कंसर्न अबाउट डॉक्टर सदाओ? डॉक्टर सदाओ के बारे में उसके पिता का चीफ कंसर्न क्या था? सेम लेसन से ये भी है, हिज एजुकेशन। Why did Roger Skunk go in search of the wizard? Wizard की खोज में क्यों जाता है? To change his foul smell. How does Mr. Lamb keep himself busy when it is a bit cool? Mr. Lamb अपने आप को बिजी कैसे रखते हैं जब थोड़ी सी सर्दी पड़ती है? By pulling down the crab apples, by talking to the children, by walking in his garden, by visiting the neighbors. Correct answer, by pulling down the crab apples. और क्या बनाते हैं उससे? जेली बनाते हैं। That's all in this video.